I will be explaining to you about hypothesis and hypothesis space. What is a hypothesis? In supervised learning, we use available data to build a target function that maps inputs to outputs. A model that approximates the target function and maps the inputs to outputs can be called a hypothesis. A simple definition for hypothesis is that it's an instance or a specific candidate model that maps inputs to outputs and can be evaluated and used to make predictions. The training dataset is used to learn a hypothesis, and the hypothesis is evaluated by the test dataset. A hypothesis is notated by lowercase h. For a certain dataset and features, we can come up with number of functions that map inputs to outputs. This set of functions or this set of hypotheses is called the hypothesis space. A hypothesis space can be notated by uppercase H. Let's move on to an example to explain this further. Let's consider this dataset with negative and positive values and has x1, x2 features. We can come up with different functions to separate these negative and positive values. And this set of functions that we come up with is called a hypothesis space. And a single function is a hypothesis. So we train our model and choose the hypothesis that has the least training error and that will generalize in the future predictions.